Hello, this is Dr. Paris from Fremont-Elizabeth City High School. I'm here to look at documenting our attempt to make a game for multimedia programming using Scratch. You need to go to your learning page. You need to go to Moodle and locate stage 1. Go to home, stage 1 IT, and here's our Moodle page. Now down the bottom, in not the computer systems, not that topic, but the topic called multimedia programming using Scratch, topic 2. Now here in the major project S5, S5 is our last task for the semester. It's a big one. We've got 8 weeks to do it in. So S5 is what we're going to do, and these sections here, 3, 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, and 6 will take us through the process. So let's load up S5 first, so we know what we need to do for the next 6 weeks. Okay, click open. Let's wait for it to load. And here's your template for your documentation. Now, if you follow this template for your documentation, I'm just going to enable printing. Okay. If you load your template for your documentation, this will take you through all the process required that we need. Where you see the yellow highlight, you need to change that with your details. So the first one's the title page, so you get your content page, those numbers will change as your document changes. Here you need to talk about your game, your plot. We're all going to aim for the audience, same audience. The audience will be children from ages 2 to 5. Keep it simple. Again, you talk about the main players in the game, the sound effects you're thinking of using, the motions could go between the scenes, either mouse or keyboard. The music, background music, suspense maybe, some animation, might use some animation. The next section will be the design section. This is where you put, you can draw any, actually you can use pencils and sketch what you think that scene will look like. The scene one will obviously be your title, and the last scene will be the end. So expect about minimum 5 scenes. You can have more, scenes in the middle. But always start with the title, always finish with the end, and some copyright information. So again, you change the title there to the title of your game, you put your name here to describe. So on one section you've got sketches, what the scenes will look like, part of your storyboard. In this section you put a quick description of what needs to be done. And part of the design process is also the pseudocode, roughly writing down what the code will look like. Again, changing the yellow bits to the names of your game, the background names you'll be using, the sound effects you'll be using, so you change them to yours. The implementation, we're going to be doing some screenshots along the way of what is happening. The review, right, this is, you go to write a paragraph here about what you learnt during the process of making your multimedia game, and you write a paragraph here about some of the hardships. And you write a paragraph here of what the next version of the game would look like if you did do a next version. And finish off with a bibliography or reference. Reference the people, and you reference the sites. Okay? And that's your documentation. Thank you for watching.